Welcome to QPA, the professional exam formatter. QPA helps you format question papers for a wide range of competitive exams including UPSC GS Paper 1 and Paper 2, TNPSC Group 1 and Group 2, Technical Service Examinations, other state public service examinations such as Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Karnataka and Kerala PSC and NEET exams. You can format question papers in English, Tamil or bilingual formats based on your requirement. QPA supports multiple input methods. You can upload files in docx or RTF format or even enter questions manually. There are two layout modes available in QPA, exam standard and normal mode. In exam standard mode, every question is kept together as a single block. If a question does not fit at the bottom of the column, it automatically moves to the top of the next column. This ensures a clean and professional exam style appearance. In normal mode, the layout follows a newspaper style flow. Long questions continue into the next column or page automatically, reducing unnecessary white space and maximizing page usage. Now let's see how to format a question paper. First, select the required examination format. Next, upload your document. Then click Format Questions. If the uploaded document contains formatting issues, a warning dialog box will appear indicating the input errors. You can either correct those issues in the original document or simply click Auto Reformat and retry. QPA will attempt to automatically fix the formatting and process the document again.